IBO stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I have thousands of correct predictions documented on my YouTube channel over the last 4.5 years being in the markets, and I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. So I do have a lot of context of whatever's working for me and what's not. With IBO, specifically this ticker, I mean, it's in impact biomedical stock. It's in a demand zone. Even with the current small data that I have, the only thing that will make sense for me is if it actually pulls down and shows me a shift. If that happens, sick. If it doesn't happen, it's also sick. Me buying is not going to be an option, you know? So why am I saying this? Because you can see how much videos I've done, but there's like almost 40,000 videos. It's the same thing. It's the same thing, the repetitions. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.